Want to captivate your audience? Master the art of storytelling. Before you even start thinking about the details, you have to get clear on the purpose of your story. What's the message you want to leave your audience with? What's the one thing you want them to remember? Think about your audience. What are their hopes, their fears, their dreams? What stories will resonate with them? Choose a story that aligns with your message and speaks directly to their hearts. The most powerful stories are the ones that come from our own lives.
Don't be afraid to get personal, to share your own experiences, your own vulnerabilities.
Remember, the stories that resonate most deeply are often about universal themes: love, loss, courage, resilience.
What experiences in your life have taught you these lessons?
Those are the stories that will connect you with your audience on a human level. Welcome to my channel, Elevatus. I bet you didn't know how crucial a well-structured story is for a speech. A good story has a clear beginning, middle, and end. Start by setting the scene, introducing your characters, and establishing the conflict. Then, build tension and suspense, leading up to the climax of your story. Finally, resolve the conflict and bring your story to a satisfying conclusion. What did you learn from this experience? How did it change you? Chapter 4, let your emotions shine through. Don't be afraid to show your emotions when you're telling your story. Let your voice rise and fall with the emotion of the moment. Let yourself laugh, cry, or get angry. Your emotions will make your story feel real, authentic, and relatable. And when your audience sees you being vulnerable, they'll be more likely to open up and connect with you on a deeper level.
Chapter 6. Paint a picture with your words.
Use vivid language to bring your story to life.
Describe the sights, sounds, smells, and textures of your experience.
Help your audience feel like they're right there with you, experiencing everything firsthand.
The more specific and detailed your descriptions, the more immersive and engaging your story will be.
Chapter 6, keep it simple, keep it real. Don't try to cram too much into your story. Focus on one main point or message and stick to it. Avoid unnecessary details or tangents that might distract from your main point. Remember, a good story is like a good joke. It's all about timing and delivery. Keep it short, sweet, and to the point. Chapter 7. What's the takeaway? Don't leave your audience hanging. Clearly connect your story back to the main message of your speech. What did you learn from this experience? And how can your audience apply that lesson to their own lives? A powerful story can be a call to action, inspiring your audience to make a change in their own lives. Chapter 8. Practice makes perfect. Practice telling your story out loud over and over again. Rehearse it until it feels natural and conversational. Pay attention to your pacing, your tone of voice, and your body language. The more you practice, the more confident and engaging you'll be when it's time to share your story with the world. Chapter 9. Get feedback, refine your story, share your story with trusted friends, family members, or colleagues, and ask for their honest feedback. What worked well? What could be improved? Don't be afraid to make changes based on the feedback you receive. The more you refine your story, the more impactful it will be. Chapter 10. Embrace your authentic self. The most important thing is to be yourself. Let your personality shine through in your storytelling. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable, to show your flaws, to be human. It's in our imperfections that we truly connect with others. So embrace your authenticity and watch as your story moves and inspires others. Unleash the power of your story. Storytelling is a courageous act. It's about being vulnerable, about letting ourselves be seen, truly seen by others. But it's in those moments of vulnerability, those moments of shared humanity, that we create real connection. We're all storytellers. We all have experiences that have shaped us, lessons we've learned, and wisdom to share. Don't underestimate the power of your story. It has the potential to move people, to inspire them, to change their lives. So go out there, share your story, and watch as it creates ripples of connection and change in the world. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more content.